It's cloudy.
Yeah, looking a little
but,
cloudy out there.
but still warm and humid, though. We're still on our way to maybe record highs again today. But that's all going to change, too, as those temperatures will come crashing down tonight. We'll talk more about that for you coming up. But, yeah, it is warm out there. Taking you out to the UNT campus in Denton, 71 degrees. It's warm. It's humid with those low clouds hanging in. So it is going to be a mostly cloudy day. Won't have that sunshine that we enjoyed yesterday. 71 degrees there right now. And coming back over to Cedar Hill, you can see those winds a little gusty, but look at the low clouds over Cedar Hill there, mixed in with those high mid-level clouds. So it is going to be mostly cloudy the rest of today, but those winds gusting up over 20. So we'll have those 25-mile-per-hour gusts or so later today, and you see 70 right now in Cedar Hill. Now, we're still forecasting those highs to get into the upper 80s, probably some low 90s, especially a little farther west of the Metroplex later today. We may keep it in the low mid 80s in our eastern counties today. We'll have plenty of low clouds in place in those areas. But yeah, it is going to be very warm. That normal high 64 and the record high out at DFW 85. So it looks like we could break that by several degrees again a little bit later on today. Now, we are looking at that elevated fire danger. Need to keep that in mind as well. The dormant vegetation and the low humidity, especially in our western counties. We'll have to be concerned about that for today, too. So definitely something else to keep in mind. All right, we'll have the cloudy skies. A few returns showing up on radar in our northeastern counties, but that won't be reaching the ground. Now, we do have some rain chances in the forecast a little bit later this week. That won't be today, but we are going to be watching that front that works its way in as we head into tonight. Won't be until after midnight, but that much cooler air begins to move in as we head into tonight. So you'll notice the difference heading out the door for tomorrow morning. We'll have those strong north winds in that 15 to 25 mile per hour range. And we're talking about those temperatures dipping down into the 40s, low 40s. And those overnight lows are going to be quite chilly compared to what we've seen earlier this week. Even some upper 30s along the Red River, those lower 40s coming down into the Metroplex. And we're going to be talking about wind chills for tomorrow morning. So quite the contrast in those temperatures heading out the door for tonight and tomorrow morning. So hopefully you haven't put those heavy coats away just yet. You'll need them for a couple of days as we go through the rest of the week. So as that cooler air settles in on Wednesday and Thursday, we'll have another chance at seeing some showers, a brief one as we get into Thursday, especially late Thursday going into Thursday night. A disturbance works its way through, so that will bring some light showers, it looks like, across the area. That moves out very quickly, though, so we'll clear out and then we'll start to warm back up once again. Not looking at a whole lot in the way of rain out of this system at all. We're only talking about maybe upwards of 1/10 of an inch around the Metroplex, could approach 1/4 of an inch in our northeastern counties. The big story will be the temperatures that will take a big dip. Now, we're not going to get out of the 50s Wednesday and Thursday, but then we're right back into the low 70s Friday. And yes, spring-like as we head into the weekend, low 80s on Saturday and Sunday. We do have some storm chances that do return, though, late Saturday going into early or late Sunday going into Monday. And remember, on Friday, the Mavs taking on Boston Celtics right here on WFAA, so you want to check that out as well. And then as we get into the latter half of next week, the middle of next week, temperatures do get back a little bit closer to seasonal averages for us as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. All right, Chris, back over.